am a Biafra, and I will not apologize about it. I am a Biafran, born from the blooded soil of Nigerians, where cries of freedom pierced the heavens, and the famine became our unyielding song. I stand forged in fire, a descendant of warriors who would rather die on their feet than live on their knees. I am Igbo. I am spirit. I am steel, and I will not apologize for it. They came for us with blockades, with hunger as a weapon, yet we turned cassava peels into meals and built dreams out of despair. Do you know what it means to fight the sky for rain, to whisper prayers into parched earth and still find a harvest? We are the children of descendants of the sun, baked hard, unbroken, and bold. They called us rebels, saying our cries for justice was treason. But how do you silence the heart that beats with the rhythm of rebellion? They burned our homes, but the fire only awakened our finish. You can drown our voices, but they rise like ancestral drums in the night. You can try to bury us, but you forgot we are seeds. I am a Biafran, an artist with a brush of ingenuity, a trader whose hands build empires of commerce, a mother whose lullabies turned orphans into kings. I am the father who carved machines from scraps, the soldier who turned bare feet into battle cries, the child who learned how to dream even when the skies rained bombs. I am a Biafran, and still we rise. We rise like the morning mist over Enugu's hills, like the chants of marketplace in Onitsha, like the river of Aba that refused to run dry. Do you hear us? Do you see us? We are the ones who turned ruins into riches, who dance with joy even when the music fades, who speak a language that refuses to die no matter how many tongues that try to erase it. Let me tell you, I do not need your permission to be proud of my lineage, to wear my scars like a bandage of honor, to lift my voice and proclaim that I am a Biafran. If my truth burns your ear, then let it blaze until it lights the world. This is for the souls that sleep beneath the earth, for the names whispered in ancestral winds, for the unmarked graves and the silent screams that we remember. We do not forget. This is for the memories of weapons sharpened by wielded courage. We are not broken. We are born anew, carrying the weight of history like wings. Do not ask me to bow down my head. Do not ask me to bend the knee. Do not ask me to water down my pride. I will not apologize for my identity, for my stubborn hope, for the will to survive. I am a Biafran, a testament of unyielding humanity, and I cannot apologize for that. This is my salute and the solidarity to those who swore to give their lives so I will not be a slave in the lands of my ancestors. This is my salute to General Chukwuemeka Odumegwu. This is my salute to Major General Philip Effiong. This is my salute to Brigadier Harry Njoko. This is my salute to Major General Alexander Madebo. This is my salute to Colonel Joseph Hannibal Achuzie. This is my salute to Major Timothy Onwatuegu. This is my salute to Colonel Apan Otuk. This is my salute to Colonel Lambert Ihanacho. This is my salute to Colonel Ejike Obunneme Aganya. This is my salute to Colonel Festus Akanga. This is my salute to Major Oji. This is my salute to Lieutenant Colonel David Okafor. This is my salute to Commander of the Biafran Air Force, Chudi Soke. This is my salute to Godwin Ezilo. This is my salute to Polish ace pilot Jan Johnny Zumbeck. This is my salute to Swedish pilot Carl Gustav von Rosen. This is my salute to the commander of the 4th Commando Brigade, Ruth Steiner. This is my salute to Major Taffy Williams. This is my salute to the 51 Brigade and their commanders. Commander Madebo, Commander Amadi, Commander Ude. This is my salute to the 52 Brigade and their commanders. Commander Eze, Commander Anuk, Commander Ukukwe, Commander Igweze. This is my salute to the 53 Brigade and their commanders. Commander Eze, Commander Le Louis, Commander Nwajie, and Commander Ude. This is my salute to the 54th Brigade and their commanders. Commander Ivenso, Commander Nsudo, Commander Ohanihe, and Commander Nebo. This is my salute to the 55th Brigade and their commanders. Commander Ochie, Commander Abuogo, and Commander Ude. This is my salute to the 56th Brigade and their commander, Commander Simon Uwakwe. This is my salute to the 57th Brigade and their commander, Commander Robert Akonobi. This is my salute to the 58th Brigade and their commanders, Commander Aniebo, Commander Ivenso, Commander Aganya, and the Commander Olehi. This is my salute to the 60th Brigade and their commander, Commander Asanya. This is my salute to all the gallant soldiers, the women, the men, and the children that their names were not recorded but lives in our heart. I will drop my pen by reciting the distress message conveyed from Colonel Festus Akanga to Ojukwu while he was defending the city of Calabar. And I quote, Commander for GOC, the situation in this sector is definitely out of hand, if not hopeless. Not a single round of ammunition is held while the enemy's pressure is continuously, ceaselessly for the past 48 hours. We intend to stay on, fight, and make the ultimate sacrifice, to make the supreme sacrifice. Please help before it is too late. We who are about to die salutes you. I am a Biafran, and I will not apologize about it. It's Almighty. I am only but a messenger. You block me, you block the message. Know your truth. And pay homage to those who gave their life so that you can walk and toil the land you do now. It's Almighty.